In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Xero versus Hnry versus Odoo 3. Very different financial and business tools so you can understand how each one works, where they shine, and which one might actually fit your needs, depending on how you run your work or business. These platforms all touch on money management, taxes, or business operations, but each is built with a different purpose in mind. Before tools like these, many freelancers, small business owners, or growing teams manage their finances with spreadsheets, manual tax calculations, scattered receipts, and a bunch of separate apps. That approach wastes time, increases stress, and makes it hard to get an accurate, real-time picture of your financial health. Moving to the right tool can change all that, not by overwhelming you with features, but by automating repetitive tasks and keeping everything organized. Xero is a cloud-based accounting platform designed to be a complete bookkeeping solution for small and medium businesses. From invoicing and expense tracking to bank reconciliation and financial reporting, Xero brings your key financial data into a single dashboard. You can connect your business bank accounts so transactions import automatically, match payments to invoices with a few clicks, and see reports that help you understand profit, cash flow, and tax obligations. Because it handles so many accounting tasks in one place, Xero is especially valuable if your business has frequent invoicing, multiple expenses, or a need for clear reporting at tax time. Its interface strikes a balance between power and usability. It isn't as basic as simple invoicing apps, but it isn't so complex that you feel lost. Over time, the automation and reporting save hours every week that would otherwise be spent manually reconciling transactions or building spreadsheets. Hnry takes a very different approach. It's built primarily for contractors, freelancers, and self-employed individuals who want something simpler than full accounting software. Instead of expecting you to track every bank transaction or build financial reports, Hnry handles your tax obligations, income reporting, and compliance automatically. You get paid via Hnry. It calculates your taxes, sets aside the right amounts, prepares and lodges returns on your behalf, and even gives you simple income summaries at the end of the financial year. The appeal here is that you don't need to think in terms of debits and credits, reconciliation, or balance sheets. You just focus on earning and let Hnry manage the tax side. For many freelancers who find traditional accounting intimidating or time-consuming, Hnry removes that burden entirely. The trade-off is that Hnry isn't an accounting platform you control for every detail. It's a managed service that takes care of compliance for you. If you want deep insight into financial reports or detailed bookkeeping, Hnry will feel limited because those tasks aren't its focus. Odoo is more than an accounting tool. It's a complete all-in-one business management suite that includes accounting, inventory, sales, CRM project management, and more. In terms of accounting alone, Odoo lets you manage invoices, track expenses, reconcile bank statements, and generate financial reports much like Xero does. What sets Odoo apart is that it is deeply integrated with other business functions. For example, invoices can flow directly from sales orders or project billing, inventory costs can be linked to financial reports, and customer records can be shared across CRM billing and support modules. If your business deals with multiple operational areas selling products, managing stock, tracking projects, and handling finances, Odoo gives you a unified platform instead of separate apps for each function. The downside is that Odoo can feel overwhelming for sole traders or very small operations that only need basic invoicing and bookkeeping because the system offers so many modules. Setting it up and tailoring it to your processes takes time, and you may only use a fraction of its capabilities if your needs are simple. In daily use, these differences matter a lot. Xero gives you a focused accounting experience that's strong for bookkeeping, bank reconciliation, and financial insight. Hnry gives you tax compliance and income management without the bookkeeping burden, ideal if you want your tax responsibilities handled for you. Odoo gives you a broader business ecosystem where accounting is one part of a larger suite that can handle sales, inventory, projects, and more. The best choice depends on your workflow and how much control you want. If your priority is full accounting power with automation and reporting, Xero is a reliable choice. If you want tax and compliance taken off your plate with minimal bookkeeping fuss, Hnry is worth considering. And if your business requires integrated operations across multiple departments from finance to sales and beyond, Odoo gives you the platform to connect those pieces in one place. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Xero, Hnry, or Odoo, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.